Freaking short.
I feel like hummus.
Like as soon as you, whoa, I look holy as hell right here. Hold on.
I feel like singing some hymns or something. Yeah.
This place is so big, like, so when you walk in, you just literally just feel the air pressure in here change, because it was kind of like, I don't know how to explain. Look how tall this shit is. The roof's like 100 feet up. Absolutely amazing cathedral. Amazing. Look at that. Look at those people right here. Hey, don't talk about my face like that.
It's a cute, goofy face.
It's actually the sweetest thing you've ever said to me. Ooh. What do you think, Dad?
It's very cool, but there's lots of idolatry, idol worship in here.
I mean, it is a church. I think you need to spend some more time in here after last night. Why don't you go splash some holy water on your face real quick?
Yes.
Really crazy.
I wonder how old all this is.
1510?
1510.
Well, that thing.
Centuries.
Yeah, that's old.
Very old. People are buried there.
Oh, really?
How do you know all this?
I've done a lot of tours in Spain so far.
Alright.
Also in Central and South America, the churches.
Jeez, man. It is just huge. It used to be a mosque?
Most of the churches in Spain were mosques, at least down in this
In
area.
the Moorish area?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She knows too much. I don't trust her.
It was actually funny. I took the walking tour yesterday here, and the tour guide is like, this is the 3rd largest church in the world. But what, like 2 days before, I was in Granada, and they said the same exact thing about the one in Granada. So, who do we trust?
Who do we trust?
Like, it's the 3rd largest. I was like, I've heard this before.
Yeah. What did they say the largest two were?
Vatican
That makes
City.
sense, yeah. What's the second?
See, that was also differences. So in Granada, they said it was the one from in the UK. Something like
Yeah.
that. And then yesterday, where did he say the other one was? That they just recently built one that's now the 2nd largest. I don't remember. Tomb of Christopher Columbus?
His tomb's here?
Yes. And they say a piece of him is also in the Dominican Republic.
Ooh.
He was originally buried in the DR.
Oh.
They brought his body back here.
Have you
Well,
been
he
there?
was kind of a dick. That guy. He was quite a dick.
Yeah, he was.
A little bit of a dick. He wasn't really good to a lot of people. Look at how celebrated he is. I'm not celebrated like that. I did a lot more than that guy. Just because he knows how to sail and enslave people, he gets this. Screw that guy. Give me a tomb.
That's my mom.
There you go.
Dad is trying to tear the building down.
Yeah, tear this place down.
Hulk out.